we will show you 3 quick Excel tips. Let's say you want to duplicate this workbook. Go to File, select Save As, type your title, select where you would like to save the workbook, and click Save. Now you have 2 separate workbooks. Let's edit one of them. Let's say you want to make some changes to this worksheet, but would like to duplicate the worksheet first. Right-click the sheet, tab, select Move or Copy, select where you would like the sheet to be placed, click the Create a Copy checkbox, and click OK. You can also click and drag the tab to change the order. You can also right-click the tab to delete the tab, rename the tab, or select a tab color. For our last tip, let's say you need to copy and paste the data, but not the formulas. Select the data, right-click, and select Copy. Or use a keyboard shortcut. Hold down the Control key, then press the letter C. Select the cell where you would like to copy the data. Right-click and select the option to paste the values, since you only want the values. I'm going to select Values and Source Formatting to also copy the formatting. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.